Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a fun one. It is going to be my Yes Oh Yes unboxing for November, and I'm also going to be doing a giveaway. So if you guys want to stay tuned for all of that, then keep watching. If you don't know what Yes Oh Yes is, it's a subscription service that's $14.99 a month, and they basically send you, I think, 3 to 7 full-sized items to try out, and pretty much every single month you get a palette of some sort, an eyeshadow palette, a highlight palette, a lip palette. You do get a palette every month, and then just some other like little makeup items like brushes, highlights, lipsticks, nail polish, all that stuff. I am a brand ambassador, so if you guys want to sign up, there is a link down below in my description box, and I would greatly appreciate if you use my link to sign up. So every month you get a card, pretty much like every other subscription, and this month's theme is Girls Can. And then on the back of the card is just all the products that are inside and their prices. So the first thing we have here is this Mirabella Brilliant Highlighter, and this is what the packaging looks like. Like, look at how cool this box is. So you open it up like this, and then it says Swirling Color Radiant Skin Mirabella. So last month we got another product from Mirabella, and it was this Visionary eyeshadow that I absolutely love. I use it a lot. And then this is the highlighter. It is gorgeous. So you open it up. The packaging is just stunning. The box that it comes in is stunning. This little compact is stunning, and it looks like this. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it has like a purple and gold. I meant to say pink. A pink and gold look in there. I have not swatched this yet, so I'm really excited. It's right here. It's so pretty. It's just a really pretty gold. So I'm really excited to try this. I haven't tried anything yet because I wanted to show you guys first. So I will post pictures of this on my Instagram because I'm wearing highlight already. Just make sure you're following me on Instagram so you can get updates. And this retails for $42, more than the bag already. Like I said, the bag is $14.99 plus shipping and handling, so it comes up to like $17, $18 around there. The next product is another highlighter, and this is the Beauty Creations liquid highlighter, and it retails for $17. There is no name for this highlighter. I couldn't find it on the website. I can't find it anywhere. So basically what you gotta do is you gotta shake this up, and then it's got that little dropper. There's a lot on here already, so I'm just gonna put a little on here, and it's really pretty. I think it would look really pretty under foundation, so that's what I'll probably use it for. I'm not the biggest like liquid highlighter person, but I do sometimes like to mix them in with my foundation or just put them on underneath my foundation because I like how it gives that like glow from within. So I will probably use this up because winter is coming and my skin's been really dry, so it needs that luminous look. The next product I'm actually kind of excited about is this Soar Me Brow Lift Highlighting Pencil, and this retails for $22. And the box is really pretty. I just can't open it. I can never open boxes. I always have the hardest time. And this is just what the product looks like. It's really just a big pencil. Again, I haven't used this either yet, so I will post like little mini reviews on any of these products on my Instagram. The next product is this brush, and this is a Crown Brush Deluxe Badger Oval Shadow Brush, and it retails for $19. I did not know this was a Crown brush until I looked on their Instagram. On the card it just says Deluxe Badger Oval Shadow Brush, so I kind of got confused. But this is what it looks like up close. I don't know. I'm going to play around with this, and if I don't like it, I'm going to give it to my mom or my sister, or just deep clean it and maybe open my Poshmark back up because it's a really odd shaped brush. Like, it's way too big to buff underneath the lower lash line, but it's like odd to put eyeshadow on with. So I don't know. If you have this brush, please let me know what you do with it. And now for the item that I am giving away, and I'm not taking it out of the packaging. I took it out of the bubble wrap just so I can take an Instagram picture, but I didn't open the palette. I will insert a picture on the screen of what the palette looks like, but this is the Aesthetica Lip Contour Kit palette. It retails for $45. I hate lip palettes. I really don't like them, and the only reason I don't want to open it is I'm afraid hair is going to get stuck in the lipstick or the littlest speck of dust is going to get in there. So it's all safe in here. Like I said, I will insert a picture on the screen so you guys can see it, but I'll be giving this away, and I'm going to read you the giveaway rules right now. And now on to the giveaway rules. They are really simple and easy. I will have them typed out in the description box, and they will also be on the GLAM website where I'm doing the giveaway. If you missed anything or just want to double check, I don't know, but that's where all of the rules will be. So the rules are 1 entry per person, please. I had to disqualify so many people last time because they were using the same names, but like entering multiple times, if that makes sense. So please do not do that. And I know it was the same person, and you will be disqualified if you do that. You must be subscribed to my YouTube channel. For bonus entries, you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter, or both. The giveaway is open from the day I upload this video, which is November 17th, and it will close on December 1st at 11:59 p.m. On December 2nd, I will pick the winner, and the winner will be announced on Instagram, and I will put a comment on this video, and I will pin the comment so you guys know that it is closed and the winner has been chosen. So check back on December 2nd. And yeah, and I'll announce it on Twitter as well. This giveaway is only open to the US. I am sorry, my international friends. I'm just really nervous to ship out a lip palette. I just feel like it might melt or something, so I don't want anything to happen to it in transit. And just please be 18 or older to enter. Like I said, all of the rules will be in the description box, and they will be on the GLAM website where you can actually enter. So enter on the GLAM website. I'll have the GLAM website. I'll put that in the comments as well as a pinned comment if you don't see it in the description box, or if you're too lazy to check the description. So the total value of this bag was $145, which is a really great price. Again, this is only $14.99, so you do the math. I'm terrible at math, so I'll let you guys do it. So my overall thoughts on this month's bag. I like it, but I don't love it. And I'm going to still keep the subscription because I really do like it. I like what they're doing. I just don't like that we're getting 2 highlighters in the bag. I just think it's really repetitive. And they did this a couple months ago where we got 2 lip products. Again, it was really repetitive, and I just don't see why we're getting 2. Like, instead of the Beauty Creations highlight, I would have rather gotten like a blush or a little eyeshadow, just something like that, or a actual lip product this month. Because I don't know, I'd rather have a powder highlight than a liquid highlight. I'm going to play with the liquid highlight and try to use it, but I don't know, it's kind of hit or miss at times. But I feel like all subscription boxes are a little hit or miss at times. Like, they're not all going to be 100% perfect, you know. But I would definitely still recommend this box. It is a good box. It's $14.99 plus shipping, handling, and tax. So it brings it up to like $17, $18. Still cheaper than BoxyCharm, more expensive than Ipsy, only because this is all full-size products. So if you want to sign up, definitely click the link down below in the description box. I am a brand ambassador, and I do get a little something if you do sign up, and I greatly appreciate if you use the link, and thank you if you do. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys thought of this month's box bag. We want to call it a box, but it's a bag. Let me know what you guys think of this month's bag in the comments. If you want to see more yes oh yes unboxings, please make sure you hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. If you have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And if you're entering the giveaway, good luck. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.